Stop tailgating. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Push your brake coming up. Ah, I need the back camera for that. Moron! Exit regret. From the left lane. Oh, some asshole, what do you know? Hey, nice. Nice. Stop. Man. I got X5 left. Thank you. Bob, Mike, and Minnie Mary. Exit. Yeah, okay. Ran the red light. Exit regret. Ran the red light. Stop. Stop. I'm not really sure if you stopped. Hi, let's go, Mike. Let's go. It's a 50, not a 30. Let's go. Also, let your car warm up before you start driving. The exhaust is a telltale sign. Yep. Now we're in a 40 and you're going 30. Let's go. La, 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 come on, let's go. 26 miles an hour in a 40. Let's fucking go. Now we're down to 35 and we're still doing 26 miles an hour. Thank you. Are you turning or are you just... Wake up! 23 miles an hour. Are you dead there? I wish y'all could see the parade we got going behind us here. Would you move? It's not icy or anything. I don't know what your fucking problem is. Go. Go! 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 Alright, there's nobody coming. Brains hurt. Clean off your car. Well, I guess you just cleaned off your car. Stop sign! BM double turn! Stop sign! Stop tailgating, turn your headlights on. Turn your headlights on. Oh boy. Ah, you suck. And not in the fun way. You have a green light, let's go. Yellow. Yeah, go when it turns red, stupid.